This is the first time we've ever had a Ford GT in stock before. So we are gonna review this beautiful car today, guys. First time looking at it, it just looks insane. Look at the car, guys. It's just beautiful. It looks like it's just half the cheaper. That's what it looks like. Doesn't look like a car that you could just own and sell, honestly. This just looks like a car you could keep. So this is our first time seeing the Ford GT ever. My first time to actually see one up close. Customer treatment's far in. It's an 05 with 6,000 miles. It's a 3-option car, but we're gonna go through the car today. I'm gonna basically describe the car to you in my own words, like how I would describe the car. I really don't know much about this car. I know a couple things so far, which I'm going to tell you guys what I know. This is a 3-option Ford GT. These cars come with 4 options. This is 2005. I don't know from what year to what year the body style changed, but this is the last year of this current body style. The new body style changed in 06, all right? The new body style looks like a lot more like Piper-ish car, like exotic. This is super classic, but like kind of exotic at the same time. It has a really crazy look to it. So the 4 options on this car: 1, paint to stripe; 2, the Macintosh stereo system right here; and 3 are the red calipers; and 4 are the BBS wheels, which rest in peace, we do not have. It's a 3-option car. We thought it was a 4-option car when we bought it. But anyway, first looks coming up this car is absolutely stunning. Just look at the angles, man. It's just crazy. But we are gonna go for a ride. They describe how it feels to drive it. I've been letting it warm up. So this is probably my favorite thing about the car. Opening this door, guys, is really funny and it's a lot of fun. I can do this all day. Ready? Here we go. Look at that. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Did you see it like I see it? See that? Look, it just swings open. Look,
yeah.
Right here, it just swings open, guys. The door just please swings open. Let's open it with both and just see how it looks like here at this car. Super unique. How does that? The door is open.
Not like 90 degree.
90-degree angle. Basically a 90-degree angle. It kind of looks like these should have been removable. Right?
That's why it has to open so wide, for these to go through.
Well,
like so you can walk
they,
in.
I guess they were kind of thinking like race car, because they want you to get in easy, right?
Yeah.
Because you cannot get in. Like watch, look how easy it is to get in. You just jump. You saw that?
Yeah.
Just jump. Should I do it again?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh,
I didn't see it as good.
Just like,
Getting out is a whole different problem.
yeah, getting out's a whole other thing. But just jumping in, I'm gonna put one for right here. It's gonna fall down. Now I'm in.
Wow.
You know?
Wow.
So the headroom, watch as I close. There is actually something in the forums about the headroom being an issue. So this thing is not gonna cut my head off. It's not gonna cut my head off. Boom, we're in, right? Now there's probably literally a finger of ground clearance. Like, see that? Hold on.
Good thing you're bald. So without a freshly shaved head.
Listen, without a freshly shaved head, this would be a little bit difficult. So there's actually something to do to lower yourself 1 to 2 inches. Let me show you. Supposedly, you can take 1 inch or 2 of leather out of the seat. And our seat is very cushioned. It has these really cool ventilation things here, which are just literally designed to keep the race car driver cool. So ventilation is really sweet. Really love the switches, the levers. What are you gonna call these guys here?
Toggle switches.
Toggle switches. The toggle switches are really cool. The gauges are just gorgeous. Like, that's awesome. Look where your speedometer is. You don't really see that too often. It's on the far right side. Your RPMs are literally right in front of you right here. How cool is that?
That's all you got to worry about, right?
I know, right? It's all I got to worry about. 6,000 RPMs. Now, the center console is gorgeous, man. This is like, I guess this is some sort of like plastic, aluminum material. These are super classy. I love this. All right, guys, before we go for a ride, let's talk about the supercharger real quick. This is a 5.4 liter V8, 540 horsepower.
Sounds about right.
Sounds about right. Anyway, love that you can see this right here. We're gonna open up the engine bay right here. We just found out how to do it. There's a lever right here. See that? Yep, right here. See, pull that lever. This pops open.
And there's another.
There's another.
Probably inside here.
Oh, this is a
Like a latch, almost like a hood.
I think you have to push it right here. Hold on. Let me on the other side. Oh,
There it goes.
You got it?
Yep, and then push that down and forward.
Oh, I got it.
Sorry.
Okay, boom. So we just two-person job here. Push these here in, and then you open it.
It's crazy.
Look at this.
This is like a real race car.
This is race car. This is race car. This is crazy. What the heck? This is nuts. You just touch the tires, man. This is nuts. Touch rubber.
You could,
Guys, don't touch grass, touch rubber. Come on, baby.
That's
This is
crazy.
sweet. All right, so this is actually really cool. We got the doors open. We're butterflying the whole car. We might as well open the front. There's 2 keyholes right here. So we're gonna open this, I guess, or this is gonna come up. We're gonna find out. We're gonna turn this here.
It's from the bottom up.
Oh, right here, yes, from the bottom. Okay, so yes, Mike is right, from the bottom up. So we're gonna turn and then open. Oh, that's how you open?
Oh,
Yes, Cal.
We're learning so much
We're
today.
learning so much about this. This is really cool. All right, so let's try this side here. So we're gonna put the key in. What happens? Nothing's happening. Oh, wait.
It's up here.
What happened?
Up here.
Okay.
Up here. Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
Guys, here is the front to the Ford GT. Wow. Okay, so I don't recommend ever putting anything up here. Actually, would you put anything up here? Maybe like, what can you put here? It looks like whatever you would put here could interfere with the airflow. Look, the radiator's right there.
Yeah,
The fans are right there. So what is this even for? What do you guys think? What is this even for? All right, so now that we have the vehicle completely butterflied, check it out. Get a nice little walk around, Mike. What do you think?
Sick.
Put that thing in 1x for the people. Let them see it properly too. Wow. That's gorgeous, right? Dude, this is just a picture right here. Like, this is a picture. Look at that. How's that look? I just want to see what you're looking at, man. This is what the people are looking at right now.
It's hard to tell in the sun, but
Back up a little bit. Whoa. This is cool. This is so cool, man.
After-
Guys, if you're looking to buy or sell your car or trade your car, click the link in the video below. We'll purchase your car nationwide, no matter where it is. If you want to get an estimate for your car, just fill it out. The link's in the video description below. If you want to buy a car, trade a car, go to jsautohouse.com, even sell a car, jsautohouse.com. And make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. If you're watching this video this long, let's go. Show the people, dude. This is crazy.
there's only one thing left to do, bro.
We gotta drive the car. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, we're gonna get a little rev for you. We're gonna go start up. So real quick, little cool start engine button right here. Just wanna point that out. Mike, take the mic.
Cool.
All right, we'll say these seats do really keep that ventilated, bro. Bro, lifting off of the clutch on this thing is hilarious. It's so funny. It's just so easy. It's actually very easy to drive this manual. All right, we're gonna go for a proper ride right now and see how this thing drives. All right, let's get out of here. All right, right away, how it feels good. Very comfortable. This is an 05. It doesn't feel that old. The only thing that is probably the most annoying thing about this car out the gate. What's up, man? How you doing? Thank you. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right, that's pretty cool. So the only thing that's probably the most annoying thing out of this car, bro, so easy to get out of first gear. So easy, I'm gonna keep saying that. All right, so the most annoying thing is this A-pillar right here. The view of the car is just like good, but this thing is just right in your vision right here. Come see from this angle, Mike. So right here, you guys can just see, that's a little tough on the view, but I'm not complaining at all. The car is still really nice. This is a great Sunday cruising car right off the bat. It's just a great cruiser. I want to see how it's going to perform. We're going to take it on the highway, but right away, just the feeling of driving this thing, dude. Oh God. The thing is so easy to get out of first gear. Just the feeling of driving this car is crazy. All right, that was fun. That was fun. Getting off the clutch on this car, guys, is truly like nice. You can't even feel the shifts. Can you feel the shifts at all?
No, it's good.
It's so smooth. I like it. I would like to see how the 06 drives. I heard that one drives nice. And I'm also curious how big the gas tank is, because I hear the gas tanks are like really small in these things with like 8 gallons or something. Mike and I are on a debate right now. He's telling me that the brand of stereo system on this car is Macintosh, like the Apple computer company, like the Mac computer company. I'm saying it's not. I don't think it is. I never heard of Macintosh in my life other than Apple computer company. So let me know in the comments below. Is it Macintosh your Apple company, or is it Macintosh another stereo music company. But here we go. We're gonna hit the highway in a second. We're gonna see the power on this thing. Right now, with a little opening. Let's go. Okay, pretty fun. First time in fourth gear. Nice. So we'll close the window. We're gonna close the windows right now. And we are going to turn on the AC. Look how cool that is right here. It's very sweet. Little temperature gauge and positioning gauge. Very cool. Wow, there we go. We're getting on the highway right now and we're gonna test this baby out. So far, it's been fun to drive. I'm not gonna lie. It's really nice to look at. And also fun to drive, but better to look at. The car handles really well. Not gonna lie, handles really well. Downshifting right now in the third gear. We're turning out. We're turning out here in the lane. Letting it rip. Here we go. Car's handling really well around this corner right now. It's driving really good. It's driving race car. It's being race car right now. Toyota Sienna just pulled out in front of us. It's okay. Let's downshift it. We're running about 3,000 RPMs right now. Downshifting to third, 4,000 RPMs. You can literally downshift this thing at 80 miles an hour into second gear. RPMs are at 4,000. Like right under 4 right now. Guys, a little over for us, good champion. Pressing it at 4,000 RPMs. You don't feel too much power. Feels good though. Car's handling really well. It's braking really well. So far, fun driving car. I don't know if I'd love driving this car around tight corners and back roads. You feel that, Mike?
Yeah, a little body roll.
A little body roll right there. Let's flash this guy, see if we can move out of our way. Little polite flashes. Please move. Please move, mister. It's New Jersey. We're good drivers here. Don't be like that. Downshifting into second. Bad idea. We'll find out. 6,000 RPMs. 3,000. Uh-oh. Here we go. Alright, so I put it in the fifth gear, now we're in third. 6,000 RPMs, 4,000, fourth gear, slam on the brakes, slow down. Not a little too fast there. But wow, that was fun. 3,000 RPMs, over 4,000. Sorry, third gear, over 4,000 RPMs. 6,000 RPMs, 5,000, we're flying right now. We're going fast. And we're slowing down. We're slowing down. Very fun. Very fun. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little underwhelming.
Totally agree.
It's a little underwhelming. But
it reminds me of like a regular GT Mustang, honestly.
Like a regular GT
like,
Mustang?
Honestly, I think a regular Coyote with a Whipple like this one would be faster.
So listen, I'm not a Ford expert by any means. So for me to really put that analogy in comparison to it, I can kind of agree with you. It literally has a Ford Mustang steering wheel, but it's a Ford GT steering wheel. It's a little bigger here, but like what year Mustang? It still resembles the steering wheel.
Exactly the same.
Yeah. It's very similar. This one's a lot more classy, and you can tell it's like more timeless and iconic. But I could see what you mean. I mean, listen, the people that were really obsessed with Ford GTs like growing up, yeah, like I can see why you'd be a Ford Mustang guy, like through and through. Like those Ford Mustang people, if they don't have like 05 Ford GT in their blood, then are they really Ford Mustang people? You know what I mean?
Right.
But yeah, I mean it is definitely a very fun car to drive. A solid review of this car, and we're gonna go over it when we get out of the car one last time. Driving it is a ton of fun. I'd like to hear a little bit more Whipple, a little more supercharged. You kind of hear it right now at 4,000 RPMs. But overall, it's a very, very, very fun car to drive. I can see these things going higher in value. What do you think, Mike?
I totally agree. I mean, they're just going to keep climbing.
I don't know what it's listed for, what we're going to list it for. We just got it in. I haven't even done any research on it. Sometimes I buy my cars and I just go home with them and I find out to do the research later. Not the smartest thing. Don't ever recommend it. But I can see this thing going up in value. The look and the iconic vision of this car is absolutely insane. So we're going to get one last pull for you guys. We're in 4,000 RPMs in first gear right now. let's go. Not too long. Let's go. Come on. All right. It's like I said, it's a little underwhelming, but it's a lot of fun. I really do like this car. It kind of really makes me want to try driving an 06, but I love how iconic this car looks. It's crazy. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe right now. If you want to buy or sell your car, guys, if you want to buy or sell your car, go to jsautohouse.com. Let's go back to the dealership. One more time.
You're gonna cut your head off.
It's okay, we'll keep rolling. All right, guys, so this car is pretty awesome. Full paint protection film on the whole car, by the way. I would definitely buy this car and keep it. Maybe we will, who knows? We've been buying and trying to keep everything so far. This market's absolutely nuts. If you want to buy or sell a car, trade a car, guys, hit the link in the description of the video below. If you enjoyed this review, please drop some comments, like the video. If you made it to this far of the video, you have to subscribe. Let us know how we did on reviewing the 2005 Ford GT. If you want to buy this car, guys, it's available at jsautohouse.com.